Christmas coming, we're going to draw a Christmas bell. So here's how to start. As you guys all know, we start from a very simple form, which that's the simple form. Okay, I want you guys to get the composition right, which means you know the how big this belt on the paper, where which part should be. Okay, so what I tell you is don't draw a super smaller one like this. Okay, not like that. Or don't draw a giant one like this, then probably you're going to fall out of paper somehow, you know. Okay, and don't draw too much on the left top or on the bottom. Get the composition right. So what you do at the first, you can even have let me get a sketch. You can even have like two boxes like this. Okay, just have like two boxes. Like here's a box, that's the belt, and here's another box that's for that belt. So you know how big you're going to draw. Okay, kind of map it out. Like you can even use a oval or circle. Okay, to put that. After that, it'll be easier. So then you see before like it's this, right? Like triangle. Now you can do the the curve for the leaves and make everything nice. It's an oval. Okay, so this oval, if you have a straight line from the center, the two sides supposed to be equal. Okay, so don't draw lopsided. Don't draw this side like that big. Okay, and after that, there's more detail, drawing detail. Remember to sketch like this. Don't draw a line like that. Don't draw stiff lines. That's the first shading. So that's the first shading. I shaded the darkest part. Those are the darkest part on the picture. And this first layer of shading, okay, it's done. Then the second, I start from the what's this called? This type of berry. So the berry, see, it's core shadow, reflection, dark side and light side. Yeah, you have to have that. And when you're drawing this, don't drawing all the same value. See, there's even that I have a dark part and lighter part. Okay, and after this, I'm shaded the leaves. So, and basically this is the first layer. That's the when I finish, that's the first layer I did. Okay, then I start the second layer. The second layer where I start is where I shaded before, which I start from. See, that's the part I start, then that's the part I start again. I just made it more darker and more detailed. See, this darker and more detailed. See, this is still like first layer is empty here, but the second layer, since I made this dark, I can shade this part a little bit. Okay, so that's what I did this step. I just shade this part. I didn't do anything here yet. I just shade this part. Okay, then after this, that's the another step. I shaded the back part. Okay, and after I did this, this, and this, now what I'm going to do. See what I'm going to do? I'm going to shade the berry again. See, that's the first layer berry. That's the second layer berry. Okay? After I shade the berry, what I did, I shaded the leaves. That's what I shaded the leaves. See how the steps I use, right? This is the first. So the second that's the first layer, right? I start from here. Then the second layer, same thing. I start from here, right? Then the first layer, the after shade this, I shaded this. That's what I shaded here. Look, right? And then after that, I shaded here. That's what I shaded here, right? So after this is kind of almost done, can you tell what I did? I did more detail. I shaded this inside more, right? And after that, in the last part, I just changed a little bit this thing, right? That's all I did basically. See, this is a little bit lighter than this. You can tell. That's a little bit darker than that. That's about it. Hope you enjoy it.